what I'm going to suggest today to people is to kind of think of this framework for any data that they look at, but certainly data that they might get through us, or even sales data, any sorts of things that they track, because it is going to be a lot more adaptable to see what you're saying and explain it rather than the other way around. So what we first suggest is to say, okay, look at what's happening, then start to form hypotheses as to why, right? And what we'll share today is kind of a couple of examples of things that we're seeing that seem to fit into a larger pattern. So kind of unicorn was tying into something that I'll share in a little bit, that helps you to then understand and frame the new things that you're going to see, or the other things, and understand what underlying currents might be going on underneath these trends, and how will that potentially transcend a brand or a particular look and apply to my brand or my retailer or my market. And that is where the directive or kind of prescription for brands and retailers is to say, you know, from what I'm seeing and why I think it's happening, do I actually have a place in this? Is it right for my consumers? Not every consumer is a unicorn consumer. I'm not. I don't know if you are, Daniela, but it's not.
No, I missed out on that trend.
It made a lot of money for a brand, and it was a great fit. I would also argue that I don't think a lot of people saw the fit between Starbucks and unicorn until it happened, right? You wouldn't see unicorn and think, oh, Starbucks, of course. So there are elements of fit that are not intuitive, but it is still quite important, and we're able to look at some of that